Hello, good morning, dear children. Welcome for your academic year 2021-22 at St. Joseph English Medium School, Vijaypur. In this section, I am taking you the subject EVS. Okay, before starting the study of first standard, let me revise you some topics of UKG. Okay, children? And today's topic is birds, names of birds. Children, where you have seen birds? You have seen birds around your home, around your school. Yes or no, children? Yes. So, I will show you some pictures and their names. Okay? Let me see. This is parrot. This is parrot. 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 See next one. Pigeon. 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 Next bird name is Sparrow. What is this, children? This bird name is Sparrow. 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 Okay. See this, children? This bird name is duck. 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 Owl. 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 Peacock. 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 See, children. Kingfisher. 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 This bird name is Kingfisher. Okay, children. I have written these flowers names in notebook. So, you should follow this in your EVS classwork. Okay, children? See this. Here I have written. Okay? Write neat and good handwriting, children. Okay, thank you.